Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the Nasdaq market site. My name is Gabriel Hitt, Associate Vice President of Employer Brand and Culture here at Nasdaq. I'd like to extend a warm welcome to the Blacks at Microsoft Employee Resource Group, more affectionately known as BAM, their leadership team, executive sponsors, and all our distinguished guests. We're excited to have all of you join us right here at the crossroads of the world in Times Square, New York, as we get set to ring today's closing bell. We are gathered at a moment when organizations across industries are navigating real complexity, economic shifts, rapid technological change, and evolving expectations of leadership. In this environment, progress is no longer defined by speed alone. It is defined by resilience, by adaptability, and by the trust. This is where culture matters. And this is where employee resource groups matter. ERGs play a vital role in helping organizations operate with greater awareness and connection. They create space for insight, dialogue, and collaboration. They surface perspectives that strengthen understanding and help organizations respond more thoughtfully to change. At their best, ERGs are not separate from the business. They are contributors to how the business learns, evolves, and leads. They help translate values into action. They support environments where people feel engaged, heard, and equipped to grow. In moments like these, culture becomes a capability, and employee resource groups help ensure that capability is informed, connected, and sustained.
Good afternoon. My name is Foley Pontillo, Global Head of IR Intelligence here at Nasdaq. As a leader, I understand the work of employee resource groups, or employee networks as we identify them here at Nasdaq, is not optional. It is foundational. Organizations that perform well over time are those that invest intentionally in people, perspective, and trust. Employee resource groups help enable that investment. They strengthen engagement, they inform decision-making, and they support inclusive leadership at scale. This is especially important as technology continues to reshape how we work. Innovation is accelerating, but progress requires more than advancement. Technology must be guided by values, and opportunity must be designed, not assumed. ERGs help organizations ensure that growth, development, and access are approached thoughtfully and responsibly. As we mark Black History Month, we also reaffirm a broader commitment, a commitment to building workplaces that reflect the full range of talent, experience, and potential. This is not simply a cultural aspiration. It is a business imperative. Inclusive, high-trust environments are better positioned to innovate responsibly, to adapt effectively, and to lead in a changing world. As we prepare to ring today's closing bell, this moment represents both recognition and commitment. Recognition of the work that has brought us here, and commitment to what comes next, to inclusive leadership, to responsible innovation, and to organizations that are stronger because they are more connected. Thank you to our partners, thank you to our employee network leaders, and thank you to everyone who contributes to this work every day. And thank you to BAM, the Blacks at Microsoft Employee Resource Group, who has been doing exceptional work for over 20 years and provided an incredible model for Globe, the global link of Black employees here at Nasdaq. Thank you for helping us mark this moment with professionalism and purpose. It is now our honor to invite today's bell ringers, Simi Olabisi, BAM Worldwide Co-Chair, Director, Cloud and AI Platforms at Microsoft, and Rasul Walls, BAM Worldwide Co-Chair, Managing Director at Microsoft, to the stage.
Good afternoon, and thank you to Nasdaq for welcoming us today. We're honored to ring the closing bell in celebration of Black History Month and to represent Black at Microsoft, known as BAM. This year is especially significant. 2026 marks the 100th anniversary of Black History Month, a century of honoring Black excellence, resilience, and impact. It's both a moment to reflect on how far we've come and a call to lead boldly into what's next. Founded in 1989, Black at Microsoft has evolved into a global inclusion network, reflecting Microsoft's belief that inclusion is essential to innovation. At Microsoft, our mission is to empower every person and every organization on the planet to achieve more. And today, that mission is increasingly realized through AI. And as a leader in AI, Microsoft is committed to building technology that is responsible, ethical, and inclusive by design. We know that the best innovation happens when diverse perspectives shape how technology is imagined, built, and deployed. Our FY26 Black History Month theme, United by Heritage, Powered by Culture, captures this moment. Our heritage grounds us, our culture fuels us, and together they power a future defined by inclusive innovation. We're proud to stand alongside Nasdaq and the Globe Inclusion Network, and I'm honored to hand it over to my partner in change.
Thank you. It's a privilege to stand here today on behalf of Blacks at Microsoft Inclusion Network alongside our leaders, members, allies, and partners around the world. As we commemorate 100 years of Black History Month, we're reminded that Black history is not just something we honor, it's something we actively build upon. The legacy of the Black experience has always been rooted in resilience, creativity, and the courage to shape the future. Today, as AI transforms every industry, that legacy matters more than ever. AI will only be as powerful as the trustworthy as the people and perspectives behind it. Inclusion networks like Black at Microsoft help ensure that innovation is developed with intention, accountability, and real-world impact. Our theme, United by Heritage, Powered by Culture, is a commitment to honor those who paved the way, elevate voices that drive progress, and build the future that everyone has the opportunity to thrive.